Hello dear viewers, this is Tanveer Ahmed at the Royal Academy of English. Subscribe to my channel, Royal Academy of English, for new, interesting and informative videos. Like these videos, share these videos and press the bell icon. Today we are doing a lesson. In this lesson you will learn about structure of present perfect continuous tense and uses of present perfect continuous tense. So let's start this very important lesson. Structure of present perfect continuous tense. Use auxiliary verbs has been or have been with first person singular I. Use have been. With first person plural we. Use have been. With second person you. Use have been. With third person singular he, she, it. Use has been. With third person plural they. Use have been. Use present participle. Verbs that ends in ing are called present participles. First of all, affirmative sentences. While constructing affirmative form of present perfect continuous tense, we use this type of pattern. We place subject at first, then has or have been, then present participle. Now look at these examples. I, you, we, they have been playing. He, she, it has been playing. Questions. While constructing interrogative form of present perfect continuous tense, we use this type of pattern. We place has or have at first, then subject, then been, then present participle. Now look at these examples. Have I, you, we, they been waiting? Also, has he, she, it been waiting? Negative sentences. While constructing negative form of present perfect continuous tense, we use this type of pattern. We place subject at first, then has or have, then not, then been, then present participle. Now look at these examples. I, you, we, they have not been waiting. He, she, it has not been waiting. Uses of present perfect continuous tense. We use the present perfect continuous tense for an action over a period of time up to now, the period leading up to the present. Now look at these examples. I have been waiting for 4 hours. And also, the government has been cutting expenditure. We often use for and since. For is used to show a length of time. For example, for 2 years, for 3 weeks, for 8 months, etc. Since is used for a particular time in the past until a later time or until now. For example, since 2 o'clock, since Monday, since 2000, since morning, etc. We can also use the present perfect continuous tense for repeated actions up to now. Now look at this example. Ali has been writing letters to the hospital. I have been going to evening classes in English. The present perfect continuous focuses on the action going on. Now look at this example. I've been washing the dishes. I'm rather wet. When we say how long, we normally use the continuous form. But when we say how many, we do not use the continuous. Now look at these examples. Lisa has been writing her reports since 2 o'clock. And also, she's written 13 pages. So, that is the end of the lesson. I hope you have found this lesson very useful and informative. Other topics of interest of the Royal Academy of English are present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and
future, perfect continuous tense. So I also hope that you will also find these lessons very useful and informative. Okay, thank you and goodbye. Keep watching your own channel, Royal Academy of English.